Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Easy, the Easy Way. I'm over here in Bowie, Maryland. I came to check out this 3-bedroom basement for rent. It's going for only $1,800. Come check it out. Very spacious. Check out the kitchen area right here. I'm gonna take you to the rooms. This is like the living room area right here. One of the rooms right here. The second bedroom right here. Big spacious closet space. And this is the third bedroom right here. It's a large, really big bedroom. You can walk out this way as well. If you have any questions about this, give me a call. You know my number, 301-559-2872.